So I'm going to show you how to turn on vibration for messages on your iPhone Air. So go to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll all the way down to apps, tap on that. And then under apps, scroll all the way to messages. So that's going to be messages. And then under messages, tap on notifications. And then first of all, make sure notifications are enabled. And then once they're enabled, go to your notification sound, tap on that. And then at the top of that page, you should see the option for haptics. So make sure that's not set to none, because if it's set to none like that, that means your phone will not vibrate when you get new messages, whether the tones are on or not. So you need to either set it on default, or you can choose something else. Okay, so you can choose one of these vibration patterns, or you can leave it at the default. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.